What up, YouTube? It's your girl Jeannie, and I am taking your questions today. Anonymous writes us saying, "Dear The Real, I recently found out that my mom is cheating on my dad and has been for a while. I suspected she was a while back, but thought I was just overthinking the whole situation. Then a few days ago, I saw an inappropriate message in her phone. The only thing holding me back from telling my dad are my little brothers. What should I do?" So, this subject is really near and dear to my heart. I experienced infidelity growing up too, and I know how much it can destroy the family. There's a reason why you saw what you saw. I believe that everything God orchestrates to give us a chance to change the direction of our life, and I think that you knowing means that there is an opportunity for you to talk to your mom and try to understand why she's doing what she's doing. So I would encourage you to pull your mom aside in a serious manner, get her alone where maybe you guys could have dinner together or something so you guys could have each other's, personal time, and approach her about this. Tell her what you saw and explain to her before judging why you're concerned. The family, your brothers, is everything okay with her? And step out of being her daughter, actually talk to her like a woman. What's not happy in the marriage? What can you do as a child, or what kind of support can you help find to make the marriage better? Come from a non-judgmental place and listen to why she's doing this, and perhaps there you can find a solution to help mend not only the relationship but mend your mom's heart. I hope that helps.